Good morning and welcome to Collector's Den in Richmond, BC, Canada. Today we're going to have a look at 2011-12 In the Game Enforcers set. A relatively inexpensive set, but it's all featured around enforcers, tough guys. You get 5 autographs and 2 memorabilia per pack. There's Warren Reichel. There's Stu Grimson, the Grim Reaper. Shane Churla. Geez, these guys were tough. Old school Ed Van Imp. I think, I can't remember, but I should check it out. But I think this guy was like 5'6" or something. Matthew Barnaby. Wally Weir. Enrico Ciccone. Kurt Brackenberry. Willie Plett. He was a good hockey player too. Todd Ewan. Notice the blood. You don't see an NHL license card with blood on it. Wally Weir. John Wensick. What was his nickname? Can't remember. John Wensick. Nice stash, eh? Rich Pilon. Peter Worrell. Gerard Gallant. He was another pretty good hockey player, I believe. In my 4 boxes, every one of them had an Instigator jersey card. This is Joey Kosher. Tony Twist. Barry Beck. And the Grim Reaper again, Stu Grimson. So you got one of those Instigators in each pack, and then the second jersey card was multiple. So there's Wade Belak and Donald Brashear. Jeff Odgers and Ty Domi. Here's a quad. Vic Hatfield, Ty Domi, Mark Messier, and Colton Orr. Tough franchises. That's obviously the Rangers. And then there's a Paul Laus, game used, letter L, 1 of 1. So this is from the Florida Panthers jersey. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. We'll do it again another time. Bye-bye.